Hi! Today I'll show you how to repair Sony MDR-V55 foldable DJ stereo headphones that have damaged 3.5mm 3-pole plug. This plug has been already replaced with a bad connector by some noobish person, and after some days it again stopped working. This tutorial is useful for any stereo headphones with a flat cable. I guarantee that these headphones after repairs will look and work like new. You could say DIY repair like a pro. As for every DIY stuff, you'll need standard soldering kit, some heat shrink tubing, and good quality 3.5mm 3-pole connector. Cut off the old plug because we will install new 3.5mm 3-pin jack. Old plug can stay with you as a souvenir. Then from the beginning, stretch out the wire to straighten its rubber cover. It increases headphones lifetime. Then put on the jack's outer part on the cable. If it fits, lucky you, because my one doesn't. It's a typical problem for flat cable headphones. The wire is wider than the hole in the jack's housing. That means we should take a metal drill according to the size of the cable and make the hole larger, if you know what I mean. Then you should grind the sharp edges so they don't damage the cable. As a result, we can freely pull our cable through jack's housing. Now start removing the rubber isolation, but do it without damaging the cable vanes. After removing the isolation and separating wires by color, we should get 3 small wires: red, green and golden. Then cover all 3 small wires with tin to make soldering them to the 3.5mm connector easier. As a result, you should get something like this. Red and green wires are soldered at the end, but golden at the beginning. Connect your new 3.5mm jack to your phone and turn on the music. This is required to understand which channel is left and right. Put the golden wire to the 3rd contact and then slowly put the red or green wire to the 1st or 2nd contact. As soon as we hear a sound, the main thing is to understand from where the sound appeared. If it appeared on the left, then we know that the connected wire is left channel and should be soldered to the 1st contact. The other wire goes to the 2nd contact. Then cover with tin all 3.5mm connectors contacts to make soldering easier. Then put in our new cable in our new connector and cut off the excess length of the ground wire. And then solder the ground wire to the connector. Then secure the wire with connector's metals. But don't squeeze them too much to avoid damage the cable. Solder left and right wires. Remove the spare lengths if they exist. Result after soldering should look like this. Cut off small thermo tube and put it on the cable. Then isolate all contacts with nail polish that you can steal from your wife or mom. Then apply some super glue where cable connects to the connector. And over it put our small thermo tube. Double strength. In the close-up it looks like this. You can now check if everything is working before carrying on. Just because I have repaired over 1000 headphones, I'll skip this part, because I trust myself. Pretty arrogant, am I right? But still, I suggest you doing this, just to be sure. Apply a lot of glue on all contacts and screw on the connector's outer part very tightly. Cut off thermo tube that will cover the entire plug and lock the cable at the entry. Pull the thermo tube over the plug and apply glue to the place where cable enters the connector. After that, carefully attach the thermo tube over the new jack. Cut off spare thermo tube that prevents the plug from attaching to equipment. And voila! We replaced 3.5mm 3-pole stereo plug. I would say like real pros. I think that many people would say that this jack is totally new. How does it look? I think it looks very nice, am I right? Maybe you could praise me with a like, please? Because, you know, we saved up some money by not buying new headphones. I hope that you like the result. As always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support my heroic deeds of saving that headphones and making this planet cleaner. And of course, not to miss any other Saving Planet Ryan videos. Ciao!